Good morning, all Jamaican citizen, all Jamaica Constable Force, JCF. A response officer. So now I just make this clear to the media. I don't care. It's a law personnel. This is my colleague. Yeah, brawling outside. Yeah. You see what take place? Transpire Kingston with the police female and then the parents that got the school to rectify what happened between female kids and other kids. And that's how we deal with the situation. By law and by right. The police is here to protect and serve the Jamaican citizen of Jamaica. They're responsible for every civilian, every pedestrian. They're responsible. Imagine a 2 officer, 1 female. They didn't have to reach this. The police be there. Like, you're sure of the female. You have to hold on for your gun one at a time. And you have the female down in the jeep. After you put her in the jeep, you have to hold on for your gun. You have to intimidate her. Watch everything on the video. Everything. If she point in your face, she assault you. But you lick her. You're total wrong. She win it right away. Because she point in your face, that is assault. But why you lick her? She's not a child. She's not your daughter. I be a go on in our country, boy, Anjo. Anjo. You see you? You see you, Anjo? Not one more expensive for Uno. I care 0. Anjo, you don't know me eat, you don't know me drink, you don't know my 4 kids and blood clot go to school. How they eat. Too much of your Anjo. I be a law you implement, Pawi. Law. And we work with the system, you know. We not go against the system. Because we wrong for vote you blood clot in. You see the younger generation, them gave vote them, they never think. They never was thinking. Because some of we like edit. But the one them educated, they can't educate the younger set them because they not take no chat, no government. They not no government. No govern. Bro, big fat stinking police girl. But not care. See when my mother that I'm my sister. You see you? You don't know your blood clot self. You only be in her ear. And you just let her go. She go up in the jeep willingly. You go far as bite the female, cutting hand. They bite the girl, you know. Bite him, bust here, you know. And they bleed out in her jeep, you know. I mean, they watch everything. So you tell me now, an incident occurred at the school, and there's no other way you can solve a solution. Police change for have methods, strategy methods, for use for civilian out there in the street. Because first thing you do, talk her down. Talk her down. Ask her kindly if you go in the jeep. When you don't even have one handcuff, you don't need a handcuff to put on the female. You're not grab up her, she never go for your gun. She never try to take your gun. For sure you. The girl will explain herself, you're the jaggy girl in her ear. She wrong for pointing in your face. You're f***ing total wrong for put your hand on the female. You're wrong. You verbally abuse the lady. Yo, never style. You no pepper spray people for nothing at all. You no flash out a button for broke people on our foot and bust in skull. For nothing at all. And that's how we work, bro. Bro, that's how we work, bro. A whole heap of soldier killers out there. A whole heap of killer police. But G them a roll, so yo. We know if we deal with things, man. We know when boy if you get lick in her face and tap in her face. When they deserve it. You get me I say? You abuse the system. So long, your police the face say, yo, yeah, interior of your clothes, you're going to get right. The judge and the jury going to get the girl right. You'll give you right over the girl. And I say, blood clot go. The situation will kill a whole heap of innocent people. Can I tell you, a whole heap of execution style I soon carry out. What come out of it? All on camera I'm watching a kill, man. What come out of it? Yo, I tell you, man. You see you, if a girl know how to deal with you, eh? The girl will set you up a way. Either you lose your tooth, or you drive off a one, go break your blood clot. The girl will you. The girl will you real good police girl. And me they send out this for the media. I care zero. On the top grown abuse people, on the blood clot. Everybody have gun now. Check your world. Everybody have guns. Everybody have guns. Now look a container gun on our fire airport. You know much pass through already? Eh? Who they sending a gun them? Politician. Andrew Wellness know about enough of the blood clot gun them. They might get sheer out tight. And then no one kill the people them, innocent people them. Eh? The thing poor man can pull through them link there. And the law enforcement blood clot they do their thing. A big heads them in a parliament. And una live off of the container gun them. And then they make it look like the youth them in the street they do all that animosity. And one thing I blame my man them for, you know, where they make their money and they blow, you know. They now buy 2 goat, 2 cow, 2 pig, some rabbit, some pigeon, fowl, and start some investment. Those are investments. Buy car, put on the road. Buy cars and rent them. We need to do better as black people. We need to stand up our foot and rebel against this government. You need to step down. How much people dead since the year start? How much crime rate gone up since last year? How much senseless killing? You know, say the man take away woman and go them. Eh? For all them bumbuckler boy. Eh? Hey boy, you see uno? 4 sister me have. Me now say I can't take on my sister go kill them baby no. But who be until your blood clot? If I buy the gun or the knife or the machete, I put in a pussy and shadow grave you. Obi and I miss your blood clot. Cause I too much female. Let me tell you, I'm tired of one man. I don't make you look like God not do him best. When is a failure, man. When a failure. Let me tell you. Yeah, we're tired of certain treatment, man. In God we put with trust Jamaica. Jamaica, we put with trust in a God alone. The Creator, the Almighty. Yo, me work every day. So me get to 1 day off. Ask Christ. Sleep, me eat, play my PUBG, me watch my show. Boring, me go up on the road, me go river, me go beach. Occupy myself. Yo, we need to do better, yo. We need to put on with blood clot foot. And make we fist them talk. Yeah, we fist them need to talk. Black power. Black power, we say. Too much senseless killing, man. Andrew, there's a p. Y'all lack of people for freedom of speech, Andrew. Who the f is you? Where you come from? Where the blood clot you come from, Andrew? Eh? Check the crime rate. Much family are dead in a 1 hour, senseless killings. Man a shoot up much family, kick off door. All know they're killing they can't solve. Then crime they can't solve. Why? No unity is not here anymore. Before we have unity and strength and divide themselves. And them in a parliament, man. All you know is about, all you know about this, the butter. The butter. Yeah. And every time Andrew fly out, that one country and come back with their system. Try create their system for we in Jamaica. Yeah. And you know, set certain thing in a proposal and say how much homeless people out on the road. More people jobless. The jobs that people are get right now and pay less than 3,500, 4,000 a day. How much me spend for the day of work? 2 grand can't come and work. Me drive. Gas gone up, everything gone up. Andrew is a pussy. Me I tell you that. Big pussy. And if you step down, brother, we're tired of you.